Are you looking for the best digital pool water tester to keep your pool clean, balanced, and safe all season long? Whether you own a swimming pool, hot tub, spa, saltwater pool, or aquarium, a reliable digital water tester can provide fast, accurate readings for pH, chlorine, salinity, temperature, TDS, and more without the guesswork of traditional test strips. In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best digital pool water testers you can buy right now. We selected these products based on their accuracy, ease of use, measurement features, build quality, customer reviews, reliability, and overall value for money. From simple handheld digital testers to advanced smart Wi-Fi pool monitors with app connectivity and continuous real-time monitoring, there's an option here for every pool owner and every budget. As always, you'll find the links to all the products mentioned in the description below. So let's get started and discover the best 5 digital pool water testers available today. Number 5. Hofun 5-in-1 Pool Salt Tester and pH Meter. The Hofun 5-in-1 Pool Salt Tester and pH Meter is an affordable and versatile water testing tool designed for pool owners, aquarium enthusiasts, hot tubs, and hydroponic systems. Instead of carrying multiple testing devices, it combines salinity, pH, TDS, EC, and temperature measurements into one compact meter. Its premium titanium alloy probe provides fast and accurate readings, while the easy-to-read display automatically switches between ppm, ppt, and percentage for convenient salinity testing. Whether you're maintaining a saltwater pool or monitoring aquarium conditions, the Hoofen tester delivers reliable performance at a budget-friendly price. Pros: measures 5 water parameters: salinity, pH, TDS, EC, and temperature. Fast and accurate readings with a premium titanium alloy probe. Automatic unit conversion between ppm, ppt, and percentage. Simple one-button operation with an easy-to-read display. Suitable for pools, aquariums, hot tubs, spas, drinking water, and hydroponics. Excellent value for money. Cons: requires regular calibration for maximum accuracy. Not designed for professional laboratory testing. No built-in data storage or smartphone connectivity. Protective carrying case is fairly basic. Final verdict: the Hofun 5-in-1 Pool Salt Tester and pH Meter is an excellent budget-friendly choice for homeowners who want a quick and reliable way to monitor water quality. Its combination of 5 essential measurements, user-friendly operation, and high accuracy makes it ideal for swimming pools, saltwater aquariums, hot tubs, and everyday water testing. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one digital water tester, the Hofun is one of the best values currently available. Number 4. LKBird 7-in-1 Smart Pool Monitor. The LKBird 7-in-1 Smart Pool Monitor is a modern water testing solution designed for pool owners who want continuous hands-free monitoring instead of manual testing. It accurately measures pH, free chlorine, salinity, TDS, EC, ORP, and temperature, while automatically syncing real-time data to a smartphone app through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. With 24/7 monitoring, customizable alerts, historical data tracking, and an IP68 waterproof design, it helps you keep your pool, spa, or hot tub in perfect condition with minimal effort. Although it has fewer customer reviews than more established competitors, its impressive feature set makes it one of the smartest pool monitors available. Pros: measures 7 essential water parameters in one device, real-time monitoring with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app connectivity, automatic updates every 10 minutes for continuous water tracking, custom alerts notify you when water chemistry goes out of range, IP68 waterproof and impact-resistant construction, historical data tracking and remote monitoring through the app, magnetic charging eliminates frequent battery replacements. Cons: smaller number of customer reviews than more established brands, requires a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection for full smart functionality, accuracy may require occasional sensor calibration, higher price than traditional manual pool test kits. Final verdict: the LKBird 7-in-1 Smart Pool Monitor is an excellent choice for homeowners who want to automate pool maintenance. Its combination of continuous monitoring, smartphone alerts, 7-parameter testing, and durable waterproof design provides a level of convenience that traditional test strips simply can't match. If you want a smarter, easier way to maintain crystal clear pool water with minimal manual effort, the LKBird is a strong premium option. Number 3. TempPro Waterproof Wireless Pool Thermometer. The TempPro Waterproof Wireless Pool Thermometer is a simple yet highly reliable solution for monitoring your pool or spa temperature without constantly stepping outside. Unlike smart water quality monitors, it focuses exclusively on delivering fast and accurate temperature readings with a highly precise sensor and an impressive 500-foot wireless range. The floating transmitter automatically sends real-time water temperature to the included indoor receiver, while the large backlit display makes readings easy to view day or night. Its durable IPX8 waterproof design, UV-resistant housing, and hassle-free setup make it an excellent choice for swimming pools, hot tubs, cold plunges, ponds, and spas. Pros: highly accurate temperature readings with plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius precision. Long-range wireless transmission up to 500 feet. Large backlit indoor display for easy viewing. Durable IPX8 waterproof and UV-resistant floating design. Includes batteries and comes prepared for quick setup. Tracks daily maximum and minimum temperatures. Works with pools, hot tubs, spas, ponds, aquariums, and cold plunges. Cons: measures temperature only. No pH, chlorine, or water chemistry testing. Not compatible with smartphone apps or Wi-Fi monitoring. RF signal range may decrease through thick walls. Requires AA battery replacement over time. Final verdict, the TempPro waterproof wireless pool thermometer is an excellent choice for anyone who simply wants fast, accurate, and convenient water temperature monitoring. Its long wireless range, durable waterproof design, and easy-to-read indoor display make checking your pool or spa effortless. While it doesn't monitor water chemistry like advanced smart pool testers, it excels at its intended purpose and offers outstanding value for homeowners looking for a dependable wireless pool thermometer.
Number 2. Taylor K1005 9-in-1 Pool Test Kit. The Taylor K1005 9-in-1 Pool Test Kit is a trusted favorite among pool professionals and experienced homeowners who value highly accurate water testing. Instead of relying on digital sensors or disposable test strips, it uses Taylor's proven DPD reagent testing system to measure free chlorine, total chlorine, bromine, pH, acid demand, base demand, total alkalinity, calcium hardness, and cyanuric acid. Everything comes neatly organized in a durable carrying case, and the easy-to-follow instructions make testing straightforward even for beginners. Since replacement reagents are sold separately, the kit is built for years of dependable use, making it one of the best long-term investments for maintaining perfectly balanced pool water. Pros: comprehensive 9-in-1 water testing for complete pool and spa maintenance. Professional-grade DPD testing provides highly accurate results. Measures chlorine, bromine, pH, alkalinity, calcium hardness, and cyanuric acid. Durable storage case with replaceable reagent bottles for long-term use. Easy-to-follow instructions suitable for beginners and professionals. Proudly made in the USA with a long-standing reputation for quality. Cons: manual testing takes longer than digital testers, requires periodic replacement of reagent chemicals, no smartphone app or digital display, slight learning curve for first-time users. Final verdict, the Taylor K1005 9-in-1 Pool Test Kit remains one of the most trusted manual pool testing kits on the market. Its professional-grade accuracy, comprehensive water analysis, and replaceable reagents make it an excellent choice for homeowners who want reliable results season after season. While it lacks the convenience of smart digital monitors, its precision, durability, and long-term value make it one of the best pool water testing kits available today. Number 1. Grillum Solar Pool Thermometer Wireless Digital Monitor. The Grillum Solar Pool Thermometer is an excellent choice for pool owners who want an easy and maintenance-free way to monitor water temperature. Unlike traditional floating thermometers, it combines solar charging with USB backup charging, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. The floating sensor features an IPX8 waterproof design, high-precision temperature sensing, and long-range wireless transmission, allowing you to check your pool's temperature from inside your home. The indoor display also tracks humidity, records 24-hour high and low temperatures, and supports up to 3 wireless sensors, making it ideal for monitoring multiple pools, hot tubs, ponds, or cold plunges at the same time. Pros: solar-powered with USB backup charging for long-lasting operation. IPX8 waterproof floating sensor built for year-round outdoor use. Accurate real-time water temperature monitoring. Long-range wireless transmission lets you check temperatures indoors. Supports up to 3 wireless sensors for multiple water locations. Indoor LCD display shows temperature, humidity, and 24-hour high-low records. Cons: primarily measures temperature only and doesn't test water chemistry. Indoor receiver requires 2 AAA batteries, not included. Only 1 sensor is included. Additional sensors are sold separately. Wireless range may vary depending on walls and obstacles. Final verdict, the Grillum Solar Pool Thermometer is one of the best wireless pool thermometers for homeowners who want reliable, hassle-free temperature monitoring. Its solar-powered design, IPX8 waterproof construction, long-range wireless connectivity, and support for multiple sensors makes it a convenient solution for pools, hot tubs, ponds, and cold plunges. While it doesn't measure water chemistry, its accuracy, ease of use, and maintenance-free operation make it an excellent choice for keeping track of water temperature every day.